Scammers and fly-by-night companies are getting incredibly good at making their websites look like the next big health revolution. You see an ad for a new botanical liquid supplement. It promises to fix your fluid balance. It claims to support your lymphatic system. Everything looks sleek and professional. But when you pull back the curtain on these FEM plus lymphatic drainage drops, the view gets a lot uglier. We are looking at a product being marketed as a total wellness solution in a tiny bottle. They want you to believe that a few drops a day will transform your health and clear out your system. But my research shows some massive red flags that you simply cannot ignore. First off, let us talk about the website itself. The domain was only registered in May of 2026. That makes it a brand new player in an incredibly crowded market. When a site is that new, you have to ask yourself why. Usually these sites pop up, take a bunch of money, and then vanish into thin air before anyone can complain. Scam Advisor already has their eyes on this one. They gave it a trust score of only 22 out of 100. That is basically a flashing red neon sign telling you to stay away. I also checked out the major review platforms. On Trustpilot, there is absolutely nothing. No happy customers. No angry customers. Just silence. That is almost worse than a bad review. It means there's no track record. You are essentially being asked to be a guinea pig for a company that might not even exist next month. The marketing team is doing their job well, though. They use all the right buzzwords. Botanical ingredients, natural support, healthy lifestyle. They know exactly what people who care about their health want to hear. But words are cheap. Ingredients need to be verified by a third party. Companies need to be transparent about where they are located and how they handle refunds. If you cannot find a solid, clear refund policy, your money is as good as gone the moment you hit enter. People get desperate for health solutions, and that makes them easy targets for these flashy offers. It is so easy to click that buy button when you are feeling bloated or tired. You want to believe there is a magic liquid that will fix everything. But real health comes from consistency and proven science, not a mystery bottle from a site with a trust score that is basically a failing grade. The verdict on this one is very clear. It is a high-risk purchase. You should proceed with extreme caution if you decide to buy this at all. My advice is to keep your wallet closed for now. Wait for real, independent reviews to surface. Look for products from companies that have been around for more than a few weeks. Do not let a pretty website and some fancy botanical claims trick you into giving away your hard-earned money. Always do your own digging. Check the fine print on their terms of service. See if the company has a physical address or a working customer service line. If everything feels like a ghost town, it probably is. You deserve to know exactly what you are putting into your body. Do not settle for marketing hype when your health is on the line. Stay skeptical and stay safe out there. It is your money and your wellness at stake.